The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Blaze series in India called Lava Blaze Dragon. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Blaze Dragon 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and over 450 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is further expandable up to 512 GB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Lava Blaze Dragon 5G sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear, along with the unspecified secondary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5,000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.2 by 77.8 by 9.05mm, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Blaze Dragon 5G has been priced in India at 9,999 Indian rupees, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 1st, in Golden Mist and Midnight Mist color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze Dragon 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.